Hey there, my name is Rachel, and I wanted to show you a new book, Madison's Big Brother. Again, this is part of the Safe Hearts collection, and it is a conversation about, again, another situation where someone's heart tells them that something's wrong and they're not sure what to do in that situation. So, Madison's big brother, this is the big brother, and Isabel is Madison's best friend, and Isabel's our main character. She goes to Madison's house every day after school and hangs out. Madison's brother really likes video games, Isabel likes them too, and sometimes Madison has to stay late at school helping with other activities. So Madison's brother is in high school and Isabel and Madison are only in middle school. So there's a little bit of an age gap, but he always seems nice to her. He plays his video games with her, and she generally feels safe around him. But one day, when Madison has to stay late at school, Isabel, goes to Madison's house, and it's just her and her brother, her and Madison's brother. And Madison's brother invites her into his room. He's wearing only boxer shorts and a t-shirt, and tells her he has a new video game. And when she sees that he's in his boxers, she feels uncomfortable. But he tells her she's not a guy, she doesn't understand. She thinks, well, maybe that's true. And while they're playing the game, because it's new and exciting and she's really excited to play it, he tries to kiss her. And that is when she needs help making a decision. Does she just let him kiss her even though she doesn't want to? She's a little bit excited, but mostly scared, and she doesn't want to say yes in this situation. So, this is a really good opportunity to have a conversation with your children about coercion. Coercion is when you're being led to do something that you don't really want to do by someone else. Um, and people can come up with a lot of reasons why you should do what they want you to do. But you really have to trust your gut and find that courage within yourself to say no to things that really don't sit well with you. So I'm going to share a couple questions with you from this one um, to to have this dialogue again with your child about what to do in these kinds of situations. Let me give you those example questions. Can you remember a time that your heart may have been alerting you of something? What happened? Tell your parents about it. So if something comes up like this in conversation, your child says, something bad happened one time, or my friend's dad made me feel uncomfortable. Any situation that they relate to this character, it's your job to listen and not react, even though that can be really hard. Not get angry, but to sit and be curious because your child is sharing something very hard with you, and it's really wonderful to acknowledge that and continue to just speak with them, even though it is so natural to be afraid and angry and scared when your child comes to you with something hard. Here's another one. Do you think that there might have been a time that you could have lost a piece of your heart from a situation like that? If so, your parents can help you put that piece back. So in the book, when something scary or hurtful happens, sometimes your heart is changed in a really difficult way. And the pain that we feel when we're reminded of that situation in the past as we go about our lives is to remind you to make a different choice that time. And so this is a really encouraging way that we can share with children that even though something might have happened in the past that they're not proud of or was scary or sad or hurtful, that they can make the choice in the future continuously, that they don't have to be stuck in that same situation and that they can listen to their heart. It's okay to trust that and their gut. So I really hope that during this time that you're able to have some of these conversations with your children, and whether it's children in your life as their parent or as guardian or as a mentor. It's really important to take advantage of this time. So please take care. Hope you're safe and healthy and happy conversating.